Picture a harvest unlike any other, not fields of grain nor mines of copper, but streams of cash flowing from a national power grid. Synergy Grid and Development Fills. Our Inc., or SGP, stands as a prime example, not a bustling operator, but a listed sluice for dividend income rooted deep in Philippine infrastructure. SGP's business isn't about building or borrowing, it's about harvesting. In 2025, the model worked to perfection. Parent net income more than doubled, rising to 3.57 billion pesos, driven almost entirely by dividend income that surged from 1.78 billion to 3.58 billion pesos. Management income and interest income were steady, but it was the harvest from the grid-related holdings that powered results. The engine behind these results lies in a layered ownership structure. SGP owns major stakes in One Taipan and Pacifica 21, which themselves hold significant shares in Monte Oro Grid Resources and Calaca High Power. Together, these entities command a 60% stake in the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, NGCP. Through direct and indirect ownership, SGP's economic interest in NGCP is substantial, and it's from this core asset that most cash dividends flow. The numbers reveal a straightforward machine. One Taipan and Pacifica 21 each delivered 1.42 billion pesos in dividends, and NGCP's preferred shares supplied another 739 million pesos. These upstream flows enabled SGP to declare 3.66 billion pesos in cash dividends, doubling the payout per share versus the prior year and resulting in a competitive 4.2% yield at year-end prices. Yet simplicity brings unique risks. SGP's clean balance sheet shows minimal liabilities and modest costs, but nearly all income is dependent on upstream distributions. Dividends declared even slightly exceeded net income, leaving a thin margin for disappointment if NGCP's earnings or distribution policy adjust. For investors, SGP offers a highly transparent window into infrastructure-linked cash flows, packaged as recurring dividends. Its elegance lies in efficient collection and distribution, but that same efficiency means little cushion against volatility in grid earnings. Regulation, capex, and market pressure are critical factors. In 2025, the harvest was abundant, net income soared, dividends doubled, and the balance sheet remained strong. But SGP's future is tied to the transmission grid below. For a dividend harvester, sunshine means healthy upstream cash. For SGP, the next chapter depends on the enduring power of the Philippine grid,